So today we are going to discuss how to draw this figure in AutoCAD. So this is I-shaped figure, as you can see here. First, for drawing any AutoCAD figure, we need to first study the dimensions of the drawing. So as from the figure we get to know that this is 50 mm, this is 90 mm, from here to here is 20 mm, from here to here is 35 mm, and from here to here is 35 mm. So first, initially we can create this example by using polygon very easily. So we are going to begin. First, you can select this polyline tool, or else you can type PL enter, then polyline command will be active. I am going to click on polyline command. Now it is saying specify start point, then we have to click anywhere on the surface. Now you have to take 90 mm, then press enter. Again, from here to here the distance is 15 mm, then press enter. And now here to here you can see the distance is 35. The distance is 35. As you can see, the distance here from here to here is 35, means from here to here it is also 35 mm distance. So what we need to do is, from here take line and go for 35 mm, then press enter. Again, here to here distance is, as you can see the figure on the right hand side, it is 35 mm. Enter. Now again, here the distance is 35 mm. Enter. Here the distance is 15 mm. Enter. And from here to here distance is, 90 mm. Enter. Now upward distance is 15 mm, and from here to here distance is 35 mm, and from here to here again it is 35 mm. Enter. And from here again it is 35. Now joining the last point, it is 15 mm. Then press escape. Then we will get this shape. Now after drawing this figure, we have to mention the dimensions. So for mentioning the dimensions, you can see here click on this drop down button. So these are the quantities that we can measure. So first is, we'll go with horizontal distances. First we will measure the horizontal distances. Now from here to here you have to just drag it, then it will measure automatically. It is 90 mm. Now again, from here to here it is 35 mm, and from here to here it is 20 mm. Here to here we can just measure horizontal distances. So we have measured the horizontal distances, as you can see. Now going with vertical distances, let us see. Vertical distances. from here to here it is 15, and from here to here, let us see, it is again 35. So by using this polyline command we have done first example of AutoCAD. We have done first example of AutoCAD. Thank you.